Hi friends, it's Cheryl from Lifestyle Digs, and I am a chocoholic. Yes, I love chocolate. All my life I've loved chocolate. So when I heard about a chocolate eating challenge at Slattery's Bakery in Manchester, England, I knew I'd have to do it. The logistics, of course, were getting to Manchester, England, but I became an international house sitter, and I happened to have a couple of days in between house sits while I was in England, and I made a special trip to Manchester to see if I could conquer the Slattery's Chocolate Challenge. Let's see how it goes. I first heard about the Slattery's Chocolate Challenge when I was watching a YouTube video by Katina Eats Kilos, who is a professional eater. She goes to all these eating challenges. But when she went to Slattery's for the chocolate challenge, she doubled the fun. She ate 2 of everything and drank 2 hot chocolates. That was her challenge. Hi everyone, it's Cheryl from Lifestyle Digs, and today I'm at Slattery's Bakery in Manchester, England, and I'm here to take on the chocolate challenge. So I have to eat a big piece of chocolate cake, I have ice cream, I have whipping cream, I have this dark hot chocolate that I have to finish afterwards. So here I go. It's a little hot to touch. You look perfect. Dark chocolate cake. It's delicious. Okay, so I'm starting off pretty strong here, but that's a pretty big hunk of chocolate cake. Luckily, I love chocolate cake, so I just dig right in. My strategy sort of seems to be to put some ice cream on that cake and some whipped cream on that cake to maybe soften it up a little bit and make it easier to swallow. And as we're chatting here, this is the hot chocolate that I had to drink with the meal. I chose dark hot chocolate. You could have had regular hot chocolate or milk white hot chocolate. Yeah, so milk hot chocolate, white hot chocolate, or dark hot chocolate. The sugar wall's getting in now. And just for comparison's sake, here is Katina about 5 minutes in. This is about 10 minutes in. I know that I've eaten quite a lot, but it barely looks like I've made a dent. Oh, yeah, I am slowing down. Okay, sort of slow down though. The sugar walls kicked in. About 5 minutes later. I don't think I can finish it. The sugar wall has kicked in. I don't feel full, but I feel like I've had enough sugar. I think I'm about ready to call it on the Slattery's Chocolate Challenge. I made a good attempt, and I don't feel full, but I feel like I've had too much sugar. I feel like I'm hitting a sugar wall. So we're 26 minutes in, and I think we're going to call it. 26 minutes in. Well, I think I'm done. I am, and you know what, I'm not full. I don't feel full, but I feel like I just can't take any more sugar. I hit the sugar one. No, I'm taking the train back to London today, and I'm done. Thanks.